In the example, d cube plus 8 into y is equal to 4 plus e to the power 2x. We usually see that the RHS is containing the value 4 plus e to the power 2x, e to the power minus 2x. In the RHS, e to the power minus 2x itself is an exponential term. 4 is a constant value, and as per the rule, we know that 4, which is a constant, can also be converted to the exponential term. That is case number 1. As of now, we have dealt with the particular integral case number 1, that is pi. So we will be applying through it. But since the given differential equation contains certain RHS, the solution will be given in the form of CF plus pi. Now, what is the dependent variable over here? What is taken
Y.
common? Y. So how the solution will be written as? Solution will be written as y is
Y equal
equal
to
to
CF
CF
plus
plus
PI.
pi. But for calculating the first part of the solution, that is complementary function, irrespective of the RHS, I should consider it as 0, and then I will be equating it with 0 and finding out the auxiliary equation. Depending on the nature of roots, complementary function is written. As per the definition, what will be particular integral? Particular integral will be 1 upon f of d to be operated on RHS of the given differential equation. That is what the process is. So write down the given differential equation is given by d cube plus 8 into y is equal to 4 plus e to the power minus 2x. But for calculation of complementary function, I consider RHS as 0. For auxiliary equation, only f of d is to be considered equal to 0. And for auxiliary equation, we replace d by m. This y is also to be dropped because y is written in the solution. Y is equal to CF plus pi. So therefore the equation is m cube plus 8 equal to 0. So I can write it in the standard form as m cube plus 0m square plus 0m plus 8 equal to 0. Now can you find out the roots for the given cubic equation? Since it is a cubic equation, how many roots are expected? 3 different roots are
3.
expected. So if you are aware of, or if you are knowing the procedure to calculate the roots on the calculator, you can do so. Else we have to do or apply the trial and error method. Now sum of coefficient of all terms is not equal to 0. Sum of coefficient of odd power is also not equal to even power. So what we do, we look at this particular digit 8 and try to find out all possible factors of it. Plus minus 1, then what is the second factor for this? Plus minus 2, then it will be plus minus 4, and then it will be plus minus 8. Plus minus 1 is ruled out because sum of coefficient of odd power equal to even power, that is also not possible. Sum of all coefficients is also not equal to 0. So this is ruled out. Either you check with plus 2 or you check with minus 2. Now how to check that? With the help of synthetic division. What is the coefficient in the form? Standard form 1 0 0 8. I start with plus 2. So we try to see how we see that it is a factor. At last here you should get the value as 0. So 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. But 8 plus 8 is giving you 16. And 16 is not required here. What is required here? 0 is required. So now in place of plus 2, I take it as minus 2. And accordingly we try to check. And remaining, then you can, quadratic equation can be easily solved appropriately. So 1 as it is, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. This will be minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and this is 0. So by synthetic division, we get the other root as equation as m square minus 2m plus 4, and this must be the root for that. I hope the process of synthetic division is known to everybody. If one of the root is calculated, the remaining factors can be obtained with the help of the synthetic division. So here one of the pair is 1 plus minus root 3i, other value is minus 2. So this is a real root and this is a complex root. So C1 e to the power minus 2x and alpha plus minus beta I. Alpha is 1, beta is root 3. So e to the power x into C2 cos root 3x plus C3 sin root 3x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is first part of the solution which tells us the value of complementary function. Are you able to find out the roots with the help of calculator? Is that
Yes,
process
sir.
on? Else, what I have been doing here manually, you can go with that. That requires the concept or knowledge of synthetic division. So that you need to understand well. So one of the root out of three, since it is a cubic equation, one of the root comes out to be real and other pair of the root comes out to be complex. So C1 e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power x into C2 cos root 3x plus C3 sin root 3x. This is one part of the solution, that is complementary function. The main part what we are going to discuss over here is particular integral. I told you particular integral definition is 1 upon f of d to be operated on RHS of the given differential equation. So what is RHS of the given differential equation? 4 plus e to the power minus 2x. Separate them. So 1 upon dq plus 8 to be operated or multiplied by 4. 1 upon dq plus 8 to be operated on e to the power minus 2x. 4 can be written as 4 into 1 and 1 can be expressed as e to the power 0x. So I have written 4 outside, 1 upon dq plus 8 to be operated on e to the power 0x plus 1 upon d will be replaced here by minus 2, because what is value of a here? Value of a is minus 2 and I know that d is to be replaced by a. And what is a? A is minus 2. Minus 2 ka cube. What is cube of minus 2? Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Case fails. In the very first example, we find that case fails. Here, what you replace a d by? 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. So 4 into 1 by 8. Now no need to write e to the power 0x because fulfillment is done. Our calculation part for particular integral is over. So purpose of writing e to the power 0x is over. If you wish to, you cannot. If you wish to, you can avoid writing that e to the power 0x, right? So accordingly, 4 into 0 plus 8, that is 8. So 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. And here minus 8 plus 8 is going to give you answer as 0. Case fail. So whenever case fails for this particular term, what is the rule? The rule says that multiply by x and differentiate the denominator. So here, sorry, here 4 by 8 will be written as 1 by 2. The first term is clear. For the second term, I multiply completely by x and take the derivative of dq plus 8. What is derivative of dq plus 8 with respect to d? Derivative of d cube is
D square
3d
plus 8.
square. 3d square. 3d square. And derivative of 8 is 0. Now again in the second term, you replace a d by minus 2. So x by 3 as it is. What is value for d? Minus 2, because this is not going to change. Minus 2 whole square to be operated on e to the power minus 2x. What is minus 2 whole square? Positive 4. So here I have obtained the value which is non-zero and hence I can go ahead with the solution. The process of calculation stops because the value obtained in the denominator is non-zero. The value obtained here is a finite quantity. So therefore, minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 2 plus x by 12 into e to the power minus 2x. So final answer is 1 by 2 plus x by 12 e to the power minus 2x. But this is pi. The complete solution is y is equal to cf plus pi. Combine the complete answer what we have calculated in parts. Part number 1 was complementary function. Part number 2 was particular integral. Is this point clear? how to separate and segregate and apply the rule term by term. In first question here itself, we got the condition of case failure. I hope everybody understands how to proceed ahead with the case failure. Whenever the denominator is 0, the case is failure. So now in MCQ type questions, what you will be given? You will be given the equation, find out the complementary function. So you have to find out the auxiliary equation, roots and complementary function. Or you may be provided with this particular function and find out the correct PI. So roughly you have to calculate by operating or replacing D by minus A, and whichever condition is fulfilled, accordingly you have to find out the correct option from the given. So roughly we have to calculate. Whole complete solution will not be asked. Mostly they will be providing you the question and verify just whatever is the complementary function or whatever is the particular integral. I hope these points are clear for the calculation of complementary function and particular integral.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, everybody? Completed. The general solution for the given differential equation is y is equal to Cf plus Pi. So y is equal to C1 e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power x into C2 cos 3x plus C3 sin 3x plus 1 by 2 plus x by 12 e to the power minus 2x. Is this clear to everybody?
Sir, please scroll
Yes,
up.
sir.
Yeah. Anything else to be written?